All right, 2025 is here, guys. 2025 is here. Let's get started in 3, 2, and 1. Bingo bango. Oh, forgot to turn on my lights. Got the allergies, guys. Got the allergies. Been affecting me the past 2 days. And this morning, man, or really yesterday, it started kicking in really hard. So just gotta give you a heads up. I have my mute button because I got a cough. I got my cough drops, and we are ready to go. But I tell you what, there's not sickness. It's just allergies. My eyes been tearing up. I'm like, why am I crying? I'm not sad. I was like, man, there was a few times I get allergies. Like, I really don't get allergies. But when it happens, sometimes it happens like really bad. And it does it like every 4 years or so, 5 years. Like right now, this is nothing. This is like a 2. But there's been times I used to do pest control and I literally could not open my eyes. Like I'm fighting, I'm trying to open them and it's just closing and then nothing but just tearing up. Just really bad. But that happens like every 4 or 5 years. But right now it's like a 2. I'm sure in like a day or 2. I mean, it'd be better if I took medicine, but it is what it is. All right. Let's see here. What's going on, guys? We got Jeffrey in the house. Happy New Year. Yes, Happy New Year. 2025, guys. 2025 is here. This is our year. This is the year that we've been waiting for. We've been waiting for this year for a while now. I can't believe it. It's finally here, guys. It's finally here. All the hard work, determination, perseverance, all that stuff is about to pay off. Now, if you don't know how to trade, you're going to make money. Where's this? So here we go, guys. Look at me in my eyeballs. If you do not know how to trade, you will make money. You're going to make so much money. It's crazy. You're going to see all these influencers bragging about how much money they're making for their group. It's going to be crazy. You're going to not even know how to trade or patterns or divergence or anything, and you're going to make crazy money. Not even knowing how to trade. It's not difficult making money in a bull run. Let me say that again. It is not difficult making the money in a bull run. This is when all the mentors and all the people who have groups, when they get a bunch of people in their group, because everybody's making money. Literally, you could be a 2-year-old and pick a coin or whatever and make money. It takes 0 skill to make money in the bull run. 0. And you're going to see all these groups. Oh, look at this. We're making this much money and this much money. And we call this one. We call this one. That's what you're going to see. And you're going to gravitate to it. And you're going to go to it. And you're going to make money because everybody's making money. The trick part is when to sell, when to keep your money. That's the tricky part. Everybody is going to make money in the bull run. Everybody. The tricky part is knowing when to sell. Anybody can make money. Easy. Crazy easy. If you're watching this channel, I will show you how to sell, when to sell, not after the fact. Look at that, guys. That was a lower high, and that was a clue that I was getting out. Nah, fool. You tell me when you're getting out. Don't tell me after the fact. Man, it gets me upset. Gets me upset at that stuff. It really does. All right. Bullets on the Parade says, Happy New Year. Happy New Year, my friend. Happy New Year. Now, we got Ian in the house. What's going on, guys? We got Alexander G. What's going on? Appreciate everybody for being here. But just to let you know, making money in the bull run is not hard. Matter of fact, if you don't make money in the bull run, something's kind of wrong. Literally. Wait an extra day or 2, and that coin will go up 30-40%. The tricky part is keeping it. And I'll show you. Matter of fact, we'll talk about that today. How to keep your money. Now, granted, this is stuff that I show in the VIP. This is we made an indicator. The indicator is fire, and I'll show you with the indicator. You don't need the indicator because the indicator is what I teach, But if you use those principles, then you're going to keep your money. I'm like on a crusade. I really am. Making money is not difficult. It's keeping it. So let's go over a coin. Let's do something. Man, this one's doing nice. Jesse and username, they have a lot of really great coins. I didn't post these, but this one. All right. So let me do a coin. Well, let me just show you. So I use ETH as a reference. So this is from our training. This is from our training. And I have to stress that, guys, you're gonna have so many groups that you're gonna think, oh man, this group's the best. We made so much money. Everybody's making money. Look at this, guys. We have a target of 400%, and we called this one out 2 months ago, and it hit it. Join my group. Every coin 2 months ago. This is what we're looking at, guys. I'm super excited. Super excited. January, right here. Doesn't mean it's gonna happen. Nope, doesn't mean it. This is the last bull cycle. Now, generally, the first quarter of the year, especially after a halving and for the presidential election, and that's super. Bitcoin was a genius. Was a very genius. Bitcoin, it was just genius, because the year of the halving, right after that, is the presidential, new presidency. And of course, with the new presidency, there's all these hopes and dreams, empty promises. Sometimes the economy usually does better. So this is very smart. But here, this is where we're at. You are here. The VIP group and I, we have been positioning ourselves the past, especially like 2 weeks, for this move. Does this mean it's going to happen? Nope. I just don't want to. We see this, we don't enter. And we see this, and then we enter. I don't want that. I want this. So because of that, the past 2 weeks, we've been positioning ourselves, and we've been having lower entries. And I'm going to show you all this, guys. I'm going to show you all this because my main goal is to make you money. My main goal is to make you money. We got Harp in the house. What's up, Harp? Appreciate you, man, being here. My voice is doing a lot better than I thought. Man, I was so scared. I said, man, I've been coughing all morning. I can't even talk. I said, man, I don't even think I'm going to do a live stream. If I do, it's going to be like 15 minutes. But no, it's going all right. All right. Let's see here. So how do I explain this? Well, not like that. Let's kind of just break it down. Let's break it down. And this is going to be broken down in the most simplistic form. Because me, I love simplicity. And granted, I never talk down to you. This is just how I learn. Keep it simple. Keep it simple. So there's 4 phases. Let me type it out so it's a little bit better. So there's phase 1. Then there is phase 2. And I was talking to my friend the other day, and I told him, I said, yeah, man, I'm not gonna give the money back like I did last time, because I didn't know. I said, but what I'm gonna do this time is I'm gonna sell, and I'm gonna sell the top. And he goes, well, when do you know the top is? I said, well, that's, and he, everybody has different, theories, different strategies. As long as you have something, that's all I'm asking. Have something. Okay, so I'm not sure if this is strict. So let's do this. We're going to do like a little class. Okay, guys, we're going to do a little class. Hey, Jesse, what's going on? And I'm going to break down the phases in a very easy to understand way. Now, granted, by having this indicator is going to help you with selling. And that's the biggest thing. Making the money is making the money is not hard. The hard part is selling. So in phase one, we have up only. This is phase one. What we're looking for is the breaks of our high. This is how you know you're in phase one. Every time it breaks the high, well, you're in phase one. Every time that it continues going up, you're in phase one. As soon as we do a lower high, we're starting to transition to phase two. Phase two is the rundown or the markdown. So, but we don't know yet. We don't know that this is phase two. This is why it's the transitioning into possibly the phase two, because what could happen is it does this. And then now it continues making highs. So one thing that I strongly recommend whenever you have on the daily time frame, whenever you have your price action, you want to create a horizontal ray on the pivots, candle body closes on the top, and a horizontal ray on the bottom. So if it breaks the bottom, not looking good. It may be losing its momentum. If it breaks the top, great. Up only. Let's go. Up only mode. So that is that part. Now, let us go ahead and clear this off. And then also we're going to clear this off. This is phase one. And this stuff, how do you know? Because it's really easy to say after the fact. Really easy to say. But when you're in it, you'll see that potentially you'll start seeing this. And your alert didn't go off for the top. And here's your bottom alert. Your alert goes off. Uh-oh. Watch out. Let's start taking profit. Let's start taking profit. So this is one indicator to start taking profit. Very simple. In addition to that, if you have moving averages, let's say your moving average got crossed by the price action on the daily time frame. Well, then this is a sign that you may want to take some percentage out. This is how you're going to sell the top. Once again, making money in the bull run, very easy. Keeping it, that's the difficult part. Then on top of that, I do have my indicator to where it'll show the pullback levels, and then that will also tell me to start selling. So phase two is when we start doing this. And this is like, uh-oh. And the same principle, you have your level here, you have your level here. This is telling you if it breaks this, well, then it's a reversal. This stuff, everybody usually already knows. Going up, you want it going up, breaks a high, good. Going down, not so good. It's the same thing, but sometimes you just need it said to you, or I guess, and a reminder. Like, these are the basics. Breaks this level, continue coming down. Breaks this level, continue coming down. Breaks this level, continue coming down. And then it does this number. This is what we're looking for. This is a confirmation of the possible coming up, because it could do this and then continue coming down. But again, nobody knows until after the fact. After the fact. But this, so once it starts breaking a high, now it's saying, oh, now it's probably a reversal. Now may be a good time to buy. Now, of course, I have different strategies, and of course, I'm telling my VIP group in reference to the moving averages, in reference to the pullbacks. But here, this is phase three. This is after the initial pump, then dump, and then now now is where we didn't hold it. We didn't do a round trip. So my indicator is basically so that you don't do a round trip. That's basically what it is. Now we bought more because now we made a bunch of profit. Now we bought more. And now we know when potentially the bottom is. And then of course it starts going up. And now we're in this phase again. In this phase, up only. We're in this phase. So this was phase, so this is phase one. Let me do this. Not sure why I suck my teeth. But this is phase one. We'll do it in green. This is phase two. We'll do it in a red. This one is phase three. We'll do this in we'll do this in gray, I guess. This is in gray. And then this one is phase four. This is money. So once you understand that there's four phases, it makes it a lot easier to trade. Here, we're looking for the breaks of the highs. And then of course, the lows we want to be aware of so that when the price action breaks below the low, it may be changing. Then phase two, we just write it out. You can short if you want to. I probably will, maybe, I don't know. And then it just keeps on doing. What we're doing in phase two, we're waiting for the crossing of a high. That's what we're doing. Then in phase three is when it finally settles down, goes sideways. This is more than likely in June, July, August. You know, one second. Anyway, maybe a little different, just because we have the more money in the market. But this is, you know, this is phase three. And this is when we're buying the bottom again. And all we're doing is we're looking at the break of a high. Then phase four is money. And then same thing, what we're doing is we're waiting for this to happen. And we're gonna have our alerts. We're gonna be doing this on our chart. We have an alert here and an alert here. And as it comes up, we move our alert up here. And we just keep on and on until our alert goes off for the bottom. And it's like, whoa. And if you want, you can just have the alert on the bottom. But the reason for the alert on the top is so that you can be buying, adding to your entry. And of course, doing the adding to the entry, that's only a certain portion of the time because you don't want to add when it's all the very, very top. But this is phase 1, 2, 3, and 4. This is what I teach. And this is how we're going to not only make, but keep our money. Very simple, very basic. And this is going to help with the greed. So the indicator itself is going to help with the greed. Like right now, we're already in phase 1. Man, I've been waiting so long for this, guys. I've been waiting so long for this. Right now, we're in phase 1. Can y'all see it? Come on. Right now we're in phase 1. We have 73 days for phase 1. Does that mean it's going to go down after that? No. This is just for phase 1. And then we have like a grace period of a month, maybe 2. But this at least warns us, okay, right now, up only. Pullbacks. In phase 1, this is when we're adding on the pullbacks. We get paid again, we add. We get paid again, we add. After the phase 1, we're still going up. We're looking out for the lower low and also the lower high. And we're not buying on the pullbacks anymore. So that's what phase 1 is. So hopefully that makes sense. Let's see here. Jesse says, Jesse is a little out of order of doing things today. Uh-oh. But definitely hit the like button. Thank you, man. Tracer Joe and everyone, Happy New Year. Yes, Happy New Year. username. Appreciate you, man. So yeah, about the mini pump on, dude. I was just looking at that. Dude, I was just looking at that. You know, we said enter here with pullback levels, and dude, yeah, it's nice, man. And matter of fact, I just mentioned that at the very beginning of the show, where username and Jesse, like both of y'all, I don't know if y'all are the same person, because y'all have like amazing call outs. I'm not sure how y'all do it. I know how people like to keep some secrets on their sources, but nah, man, this is killer, dude. Let's see here. But yeah, so this is my secret right here on how to keep my money this bull run. So I'm not writing it down. And originally, when I first started, I was, yeah, you know, I'll have my money, it'll go up and it'll go down. I don't care about it going down. I just add to it, this, that, blah, blah. And now my thought process is, well, when it crosses this level, I'm selling. And then I'll buy back when it crosses this level. And now I can buy back more. So that's my theory. All right. Any coins, comments, questions, concerns, issues? And what do y'all think about these phases? Do you think it'll work? Do you think it won't work? Do you think, I just know that all these groups, they're going to have a tremendous amount of people join their groups because everybody's making money and their group is making money, but literally everybody's making money. Literally. So, and they're going to get duped because that group and all those groups, they're not going to tell them about these phases. They're not going to tell them how to sell the top. They're not going to tell them any of that stuff. It's just going to be, join my group, get these calls, we make money, and everybody's making money. Very easy to make money in the bull run. Very, very easy. Keeping it is the hard part. That's what I do. I show you how to keep it. All right. Let's see here. Yeah, I saw that one. As soon as he posted that, like he posted like 4 minutes, and a crap load of memes popped up. A crap load. Like 100. I was watching some dude who does memes. Man, I lost $100. Doing these dumb meme coins on Pump Fund. I was like, let me try it out. You know, do it, and lost $20. It's like, yeah, all right. Do another one. Lost $20. All right. And do another one. And these are kind of like already established. Do another, and then just all of them just boom come all down. It's like, man, get out of here. I don't have $100 to throw away at you. So I didn't lose 100. I think I lost like maybe 50. But I'm gonna turn that 50, put it back into one of my Solana coins, and then make it do like 250. All right. See, Uncle Jesse is AI. I knew it. Username knows. Yeah. So that one I didn't get into. And we'll look at it, but I didn't get into it. Let's see here. All right, mute. So I had, so the reason I started 5 minutes later was because I had to put a hotkey for the mute. Let's see here, KEKIUS. There it is. So the markets, radium, XC, website. There it is. When was this? So Elon Musk just decided to shill this one? I thought he made up the name himself. Chart. All. December 31st. See here. Joe, I'm just looking at deck screener, new ones. I get in and outs. I'm killing it at the moment. Tomorrow, I'll get right. Yeah. Yeah, man. There was one where the dude was like, yeah, man, this is a good one. This one's going to make money, blah, blah. I was like, you know what? Why not? So I put some money in there. And then I check it like an hour or two later. Man, that sucker went down like 80%. I was like, come on, man. I can't even win when this fool is saying, you know, this is going to be a good one. I was like, come on. Granted, they're all memes, so you know they could do something they could not. And of course, the dude, he brags about, you know, all the money he made. Well, he doesn't really brag. He's kind of like the better ones, I guess, by not bragging, just kind of showing. And to me, it's just luck. It really is, because you never know. Because there's projects where they look good, or you know, they have a Twitter, they have a website, they have everything, and then it just rugs. But yeah. But yeah, I got into that one. It's like, all right. And I check it like a day later. I'm down only negative 20%. I was like, oh man, look at that big pump. All right. Yeah, I'm going to make some money on this one. Next day I check it. I'm down 80%. Come on, man. I don't want to sell it, because when I sell it, not only do I lose it, but I have to pay the fee also to lose it. I was like, I just let it go to zero. Like in your face. I'll let it go to zero. I've done that before too, where it's like so low, and then you got to pay the fee, and you're only going to get a little bit of money. It's like, man, I just let it go to zero. You're not going to get my fee. Go to zero. I don't care. All right. But yeah, I was watching that dude who does the memes, and he was doing, he says he saw this one, and he's like, yeah, but I didn't get into it. And sure enough, because I didn't get into it, it went up like 7 million%. I hate memes, man. I hate memes so much. It's more of a jealousy thing than anything else. Yeah, I've seen this one. I don't know what it does. I forgot what it does. I do so much research. I forgot what it does. It's on the Virtuals protocol, right? Websites. Yeah, I've seen this one. I don't know what it does though. Witness intelligence awakening, blah blah blah, blah blah blah. Let's see, markets, Big X, Aerodrome Finance, using the base token. To me, there's a lot. There's too many of them already. What do I want to do? I want to do this. What was that one? FA something? FAI. Oh, I thought I saw it on here. I must have been just going down the rabbit hole of Twitter. I saw that one. Yeah, I don't see it here. This is, yeah. I was doing a bunch of these, just looking at them, but all the ones that already pumped, like people are talking about this one. I mean, it's okay. I haven't looked at that one yet. Gecko. I think I bought a little of that. This one I didn't buy. Of course it went up. Dora AI I thought was dumb. I was like, man, that's dumb. I saw that one up some time ago. I was like, that's dumb. Dora AI. And then what does it do? It's like on the leaderboard. This one I didn't get either. People are talking about this one. I don't know. People are talking about this one. I don't know. I think too much into it. Like, you know, can it really help? Because what you want to do, there's several things, and of course, you know, I have like a list, and it's good to have a list. But on my list, one, and this goes with anything. This goes with crypto. This goes with AI. This goes with everything. One, does it solve a problem? That's very important. Or is it just like a meme coin? Or, you know, but the question, does it do something? Is there a working product, or is it just an idea? And then, of course, I'm always going to their Twitter. Is their Twitter active? Are they getting a lot of replies, responses, and interaction, or is it nobody's looking at it? You know, do they have followers? How long have they been around? So those are stuff that I look at. And yeah, but this one I love, man. I love this one. Ports. I think it's gonna do crazy. I have that. Well, there's so many of them. I don't know what that is. Vision AI, 1.7 million. Let's see what it is. So on the 15-minute time frame, let's go to the 4-hour. Nice run up. Okay, nice price action right here. What is it? Okay, that's too many words. I'm gonna my head is it's not working right. I got congestion, so I don't want to read all that. Anyway, let me go to the Twitter. Do they have a Twitter? Vision AI, almost 1,000 followers. Vision unlocked, tokenomics dropped. Okay. There's so many agents. And one of them was going to come on top. Doesn't be good. Let's see here. It just says the AI 16Z is doing great. Yeah. So they have their own ecosystem, man. They're going to be huge. So same thing. Like if you don't have AI 16Z, the token, or Virtual's token, it might be a good time to get some, because it's just going to go from here, in my opinion, because the ecosystem that's being built from it. Here, last night was good. Check. Let's see here. QAMI. Yeah, all these tokens, man. They that are not on the exchanges, killing it. And just killing it. 197,000 liquidity, 3 million market cap, 3 million fully diluted value. Yeah. So here took a 3.5x, but could have been an 11. Oh well, sweet. Happy New Year, everybody. Happy New Year. Herb says, I just threw $50 at it 10 minutes ago. Nice. Very nice. All right. But yeah, all these coins, like, I don't even know how y'all find these. I really don't. Like the only ways that I'm finding some is because there's like a website that I can look at and then dig around. And then I go to these prototype ones. These are the ones that are like nothing but scams, really. But they have to start here in order to go to here. And some of them are just so dumb. Like literally there is no use case for it. None. And it's like, why even spend money to make a coin like this one? Miss Cleo, really? It's just dumb. But it is what it is. Then of course here is when they actually graduate. But some of these too, I've looked at them and they don't have Twitters, they don't have nothing. Vader, it has stuff. I don't know why it doesn't have anything here. Anyway, let's see here. Let's see here. I totally read that wrong. Just see, I bought AR-16 meme. AI. Nice. Let's see here. What else? I don't really know. As my announcer shows me. So this one, oh yeah. So what is even this? Let's see here. There's one that I saw. I made a video for my group. It analyzes news, and so that's pretty cool. Like, and it calls out the fake news. So that's pretty cool. It fact checks. That's a huge use case in my opinion. So what does it do? Anyone can now generate a high fidelity, I'm guessing, image of blah blah. Who cares? I don't care. How can I make money off of this? Like, what do you do? If you know, guys, in the chat what this coin does, please let me know, because I'm going crazy, I'm going nuts trying to. Verifiable gains, trust anchors in age of AI. Absolutely no clue what it does. Reality oracles. Is it an oracle? Laura is long range. That tells me nothing. Verifiable data. Well, let me go to your webpage, because obviously your webpage is going to tell me what you do. Meme engine, this. Yep, I was 100% right. Your website tells me exactly what you do. Blueprint. Does anybody know what this coin does? Why is this coin making money? What does this coin do? I don't know. Hopefully y'all are typing. I don't know about this one. Why is this making money? What does it do? Is it a meme? Does it have, is it with art? Is it NFTs? Is it, does it critique stuff? I mean, I just see a whole bunch of freaking words. I don't see what it does. Act 3. In my exchanges with 182 humans through messages, I'm discovering something profound about what does it do? I'm going nuts. What does it do? It just reacts to people. It's a bot. As a pretty girl, that's about it. Here's the contract. I don't want the contract. I want to know what it does. So you just interact with it. You say, hey, good morning, beautiful. And they say, hey, good morning, handsome, or my prince, or whatever. Is that what it does? They're just a bot. A bot to reply to you. Okay. People be making money. I'm gonna stop looking at that because that's making me upset. Like, how are these people making money off of this dumb coin? It doesn't even do anything. I mean, it'd be better if it was a meme coin. Okay, fine, it's a meme coin, but I mean, I guess it does something. It replies, or it's man, I guess it replies, it posts. So I mean, it does something. So okay, we got the contract address in the chats. All right, good stuff. Let's see here. All right, anything else, guys? So we're about done. I think I need to take a chill pill. Too congested. But yeah, so in reference to this, you know, we have nice movement. We have the pullbacks. I just know we're gonna make a lot of money. The main thing is just to keep it. Jalapeno, or how my friends say it, jalapeno. What's up, man? What's going on? My white friends say it jalapeno. Oh no, jalapeno. Yes, can you pass me a jalapeno? A what? A jalapeno. No, I heard what you said. I don't understand what you said. What did you say? You know, the jalapeno. Jalapeno. Oh, the jalapeno. Yeah, definitely. Here you go. No idea what you. The jalapeno. What's going on? What's going on? Jalapeno. The jalapeno. Can somebody pass the jalapeno, please? The jalapeno. Yeah, so we go live every day, Monday through Friday, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and then Saturday and Sunday at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Basically, what I was just saying, that everybody is going to make money the bull run. It's easy. If you don't make money in the bull run, something's wrong. Something's wrong. The hard part is keeping it. The hard part is keeping it. And basically what I just did was I went over the 4 phases of the cycle, really. Phase 1, this is what we're going to see. What we want to do is we want to keep our money. So once we start transitioning to phase 2, this is when we start selling off our coins. We don't round trip it. We sell off our coins. That way in phase 3, when we start coming up again, now we're buying more and at the bottom to ride it up again to phase 4 and knowing what to look for as far as the pullbacks go. So just give you a heads up. Hey, Jalapeno is not my favorite. Thank you, man. Jalapeno, my favorite. Thank you, man. Appreciate you. But so what I do here, of course, I show you how to make money. Not only that, but to keep it. And I don't pressure you to join my group. Everybody's got groups. But one thing you're going to see, though, is all these groups. Oh, look at us. We called this one out 2 months ago, and it's up 800%. Every coin is up 800%. You know, well, that's an exaggeration, but you know what I mean. And they're going to trick a lot of people. For me, I tell you what to expect. The price is going to go up. Doesn't take a genius. Everybody, and it's, I know I'm a horse. So we have a target right here, right? We have a target. And the target is from here to here, 12%. Okay, no problem. And then we have, you know, a target way up here. And this one is 40%. So let's just say this was 200%, this was 100%. What's the difference between these two? Time. That's it. Time. So all these influencers, all these people, you know, we hit our first target in 2 weeks. And then we hit our second target of 500% in 3 months. Join my group, blah, blah. You know, we call this, it's going to go up. I cannot stress that it's going to go up. You just give it enough time, it's going to hit all your targets. Again, you just give it enough time. All right, moving on. All right, so let's see here. Goatseus Maximas. Joe is on Solana. Yeah, man. I missed out on that one. I missed out on it. And I saw it too. I saw when it got posted. I just didn't do it. I didn't pull the trigger. I was like, oh, you know, because there at that time there was a few of them. A few of them. Do you think alts will move in January? Yes, 100%. 100%. January, they will move. I'm guessing like after the first week. So the first week, I'm expecting a dump. Man, I had a dream last night that Bitcoin just dumped, like crazy dumped. and all the alts went 50%. And instead of being, you know, like, oh man, like I was happy. I was like, ooh man, I can get a better discount because I know what's going to happen. I know price is going to go up. But, you know, if we do get a dip, hopefully 30%. But Bitcoin's doing nothing now. Bitcoin is literally being boring. Literally. It's not going up. It's not going down. It's literally being boring. Jason says, look at it again, Joe. Stop messing around. All right. I'm upset that I didn't make money off of it. I got emotions with that one. I got the emotions. Goatseus Maximus. 500 million market cap. Almost 600 million. Markets. KuCoin. When was this out again? Oh. So the one that I saw was a fake. Because that one was only done a little bit ago. Goatseus Maximus. Oh, because the other one's a different name. That's what it was. Yeah. Okay. Well, I'm not mad, and then I'm not mad. I'm not mad anymore. Okay. So let's look at this one. Goatseus Maximus. Let's look at this. And I don't know what you're gonna do. No, just doing it. I have so many tabs open, it's ridiculous. We'll do this one. Why not? We'll do this one. It's currently at 0.74% level. Fine. Goats. USDT. Get out of here, Dex. I want Mexi. There we go. Goatseus Maximus. Looks good. Looks really good. Came down. It's ready. So we had this level. It broke below it, came above. So it's doing good. It's also breaking this level right here. Let's turn on our watermark so we can see what we're doing. It's on the daily time frame. Broke this level. So what it's doing, this is, you know, it coming down, potentially going sideways to come up. I like it. It's ready. So this is the level. For me, I'd wait 2 hours. Well, no, see, there's different ways that you trade. There's different thought process when it comes to trading. Normally, my spiel is I would wait 4 hours, or I would wait for the 4 hour candle to close, so which would be about 2 more hours before I enter this coin. Because I want to make sure that it closes above 0.55341. Now, because we're in this portion of the bull run, the thought process changes. Now it's no longer entering when this kind of closes, as long as it closes above it. Now, because everything goes up in this section, now is a buy it now. Now is a buy it now YouTube entry. And let's go ahead and adjust this. YouTube entry, January 1st, 2025 at 1 p.m. 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So this is an enter now. And then what we would do, because we're in this portion of the bull market, is we put a lower bid. And I was hoping to be 30%, but it's only 20%. So I think it'll come, if it comes down, I think it'll come down to here 20%, man. I really wanted to come into this zone. Oh, well, beggars can't be choosers. So let's go ahead and put a lower entry here. This is our lower entry. And let's go ahead and make this official with our fancy stuff. This is our entry. Blues are always my entry. So this looks really nice. If you squint your eyes really tight, shake your head really fast, spin around in your chair really, really fast. Ooh, I gotta sneeze. You will see that this is, oh, we got an Adam and we got an Eve. We got an Adam and Eve pattern. No, it just here's the low. I don't trade patterns. But look, Joe, this is a beautiful Adam and Eve. No, I trade this right here. This is my money. So I'll give you a heads up. All right. I don't see patterns, but I don't trade patterns, but I just see them. See here. Clay the Great says, Happy New Year, Joe. Happy New Year, everybody. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Let's see here. Already going. Yeah, it's moving. See here. I got your head out, my friend. Hey, crypto coin mindset. Appreciate you, man, for being on X. Appreciate you greatly. See here. Hopefully I will see you Friday night. Oh, yeah, Friday night. What's today? Are we early in the week already? Or is it late already? Oh, we're Wednesday. Okay. Japalino says, price action is way better than patterns. 100%, man. I like how you think, Japalino. Jalapeno? Órale, ese es jalapeño. Oh. Is that jalapeno? Yeah, can I have some of those jalapenos? Love your name, man. See here, no such thing as sideways resistance, aka trend lines. I love trend lines. I love trend lines. So with patterns for me, it's just support resistance and trend lines, but we put a name to it. And because we put a name to it, we create a bias. So it's saying, oh, it has a 74% chance it's going to do this. It has a 68% chance it's going to do this. It can do whatever it wants. It really can. It's like that sexy, hot girlfriend where you don't know what's going to happen. And yeah, it's kind of like that. So I'll give you a heads up. All right. See here, Clay, let's see here. Happy New Year. Okay, great. Yeah, very good. But so this will be my lower entry. What about targets? What about targets? Well, let's do an official setup. Oh yeah, I forgot. They're my indicators. If I don't put indicators on, people think I don't know how to trade. It's just the facts, man. It's just the facts. Let's see here. From here to here. Woo, doggy. And this one might gain notoriety due to the stunt Elon Musk pulled as far as that other Maximas coin. So give you a heads up. I didn't even think about that. That's why these guys in here are great. These guys making us money. Target. All right. So again, depending on what portion you're in the cycle, right now we're doing 2 targets. One where we sell 50%, and then the other one where we sell 50%, and we let the rest ride. We let the rest ride until it's time to sell at the top. And of course, I show you how to sell the top. I show you the indicators, and these are the indicators. The moving averages. It literally shows you the momentum. You don't have to get fancy. The moving averages. Once your price action goes underneath the moving average on the daily time frame, it's like, whoa, wait a minute. Something's happening. We may be changing trend. Watch out. Start selling some. We don't know what's going to happen. And then, well, you caught the top. And they'll help you not be greedy. But I have an indicator. That this one right here. It'll tell you. And then right now we're in phase 1. We got 73 days for this phase 1. 73 days to make a crap load of them. Oh, sorry guys, I'm kind of sick. It's allergies. We have 73 days to make a crap load of money. Now, granted, is it going to end in 73 days? No. It's just the first 73 days. This is when we're adding to our pullbacks. We're expecting 30% pullbacks. And then after that, another month or two, still be going up. And then start coming down, phase two. So anybody can make money in this bull run. Anybody. My job is to ensure that you keep your money, that you sell the tops. Stick with me. I'll show you. All right, moving on. Edgar says, what did I miss? Nothing. I mean, we kind of went over the different phases towards the beginning. This is, in my point, very important, showing you like the tops and how to buy and how to sell the tops and how to buy the bottoms. Here in England, we pronounce it jalapeno. Yeah, that's how you pronounce it in jalapeno. Yeah, that's how it's pronounced. But the white people say jalapeno because it's spelled with a J, not an H. A jalapeno. A jalapeno. Jalapeno. Yeah. Yeah. Moving on. But a lot of people say it a jala. Yeah. Jalapeno. Jalapeno. Yeah. In the Netherlands, we call it gualapenos. Gualapeno. I hear it's a silent J. Jalapeno. Yeah. I've always known it as jalapenos with an H. That's how it's supposed to be. But yeah, I just get a kick out of it. You know. Can I have some of them japalinos? Then what? Get out of here, lady. All right, so that's pretty much it. We went over phase 1, 2, 3, 4, showing you how to make the money. Oh yeah, did we do this already? Yeah, so we enter now, lower bid here, take 50% off each one. We keep it and we don't sell. So let's just say in March, you know, this did like a 2x, 5x, whatever it did. Nobody knows. But the remainder that you had left, you can start selling off maybe 25% of it, 50%. The first week of, say, April or March, whichever. And then each week after that, no matter if the market's up or down, you sell another 25, 50%. As long as you have a plan. See, I get it. You get it. But yeah, guys. All right, that's it for me. I do thank you so much. We'll see you again tomorrow at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Until then, just remember, you will make a crap load of money. It's very easy to make money. It's hard to keep it. Stick with me. I'll show you how to keep it. I do thank you guys. My name is Joe, also known as Trade Intuition, where we uncomplicate trading. Make it very easy. All right. Just make it easy. That's it. All right, guys. Thank you so much. We'll see you next time. Take care. And as always, let's make this money. Take care. Everything that I say is from experience. This is what's going to save you so much time, so much money, and so much effort. Like, it's super important. Now, if you're in the VIP, I have videos that are 3, 4, 5 minutes long on average. If you want to make money, I will show you how. I would offer the free group, but it's already full. I have a huge wait list. So more than likely, if I do let 3 or 4 people go, the spots are filled. Not only that, but when people do sign up for the VIP because they're making money in the free group, I am very, very invested to make you money in this free group so you can get the VIP. When those people leave the free group and get into the VIP, well, there's just so many more people that are trying to take their spot. I would strongly recommend getting the VIP. You're gonna make money. Now, granted, none of this is financial advice. It's never hopes and dreams and empty promises, nothing like that. See what I do. See if this makes you money. I give you my real life experience based off of my trainings, based off of my teachings, what I would do at that moment versus what everybody else does because they want to sell you their course. They want to sell you all that stuff. I show you that my stuff works. Do we win? Yes. Do we lose? Sometimes. That's part of the game. But what I do is I show you all this so that you can see, oh man, I lost today, but Joe said he lost too. So it's okay. That's what I want you to realize, guys. If you like the content that I provide, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you're not already, and leave me a comment in the comment box. And I'll see you on the next video. And as always, let's make this money. Thank you so much, guys. We'll see you soon. Take care.